Albatross, sovereigns of the sea. Unveiling the mysteries and majestic presence of skyward wanderers.
By AI for Kids. Embark on a journey into the enchanting life of the albatross, a creature of legend and endurance. Through their magnificent wings and timeless paths, we explore the vital lessons they offer about balance, adaptation, and the pressing need for conservation in our ever-changing world. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Wings of Majesty, Albatross in Flight.
With vast wings that span up to 3.7 meters, the wandering albatross soars effortlessly across the Southern Ocean. Masters of dynamic soaring, they harness the ocean winds to glide with minimal effort. This remarkable adaptation allows them to travel thousands of kilometers without flapping their wings, a testament to nature's engineering. As they glide above the waves, they follow ancient paths, carving silent trajectories through mist and cloud. Their grace in the air is unmatched, each movement a dance of balance with the elements.
Witness the majestic flight of the wandering albatross, an icon of aerial elegance and endurance, navigating the boundless oceanic expanse on its mighty wings. The ocean whispers beneath us, an endless horizon urging us forward. In flight, freedom is boundless.
A home on the wind, albatross habitat.
Albatrosses make their homes in the vast Southern Ocean and the North Pacific. These enigmatic birds are ocean dwellers, their true habitat stretching beyond the confines of land. Only coming ashore to breed, they claim remote islands as their nesting grounds. The ocean, with its rhythmic waves and uncharted breezes, serves as their constant companion. Here, in these wild waters, they find life and sustenance, their journey defined by the lapping tide and ceaseless horizon.
The high seas provide sanctuary to the albatross, an avian sailor, at home in the whispering waves and timeless skies. The ocean is our cradle and cockpit, each surge a reminder of life's vastness.
The albatross palette, physical characteristics.
With their elegant and impressive physiques, albatrosses leave a lasting impression. Their plumage is predominantly white, offset by black or dark chocolate accents, creating a striking visual contrast. The long hooked beak, efficient and sleek, is their tool for survival. Their formidable wings, spanning up to 11.5 feet, embody the concept of dynamic beauty, designed for life on the wing. Together, these traits manifest in a creature that is both ethereal and grounded, as at home on the ocean's surface as they are in the sky.
From their stately bodies to their majestic wings, the albatross is a masterpiece in monochrome, every feather and hue a tale of adaptation and elegance. Our wings are our liberation, our colors the canvas upon which the ocean paints.
Ocean's bounty, the diet of albatross.
As night falls, the albatross dines elegantly on the ocean's offerings. Squid, fish, and krill form the core of their diet, each meal an exercise in precision and instinct. Following ships to scavenge offal, they demonstrate keen opportunistic skills, blending the role of predator and scavenger. The interplay of darkness and tide guides them, their senses tuned to the mysterious dance beneath the waves. It is a perpetual feast, a ceremony of survival in the nocturnal seas.
By moonlit waters, the albatross forages, a formidable hunter of the deep, orchestrating nightly feasts from the sea's hidden larder. In the ocean's embrace, we find sustenance, a cycle as ancient as the sea itself.
The social glide, behavior and flying techniques.
Albatrosses embrace the skies with a skill that is as social as it is solitary. Employing dynamic and slope soaring, they turn the art of flight into an effortless glide, a marvel of avian adaptation. Ever migratory, they cross expansive oceans, turning Earth into a visual map etched in instinct. Their journeys are communal affairs, weaving through winds and silent companionship, a testament to their deep-rooted bonds and social nature.
In seamless flight, the albatross dances on currents, a symphony of wing beats that echoes across azure realms. In the skies, we are not alone, our flight tells tales untold, of journey, of return.
Love on remote shores, albatross reproduction.
The bond of the albatross is forged on remote islands, where their lifelong partnerships are celebrated. Monogamous to the core, they engage in elaborate courtship displays, weaving a dance of fidelity amid the nesting grounds. These unions bring forth single eggs, their creation a dual endeavor, with both parents sharing the sacred duty of incubating new life. Such collective dedication ensures the continuity of their lineage against the indifference of the ocean's breath.
Within isolated rookeries, albatrosses renew vows of love and lineage, a saga of fidelity where life takes its first breath. In the parable of love, we find eternity on windswept shores, hand in hand, wing in wing.
Keepers of the sea, albatross ecological role.
In their roles as predators and scavengers, albatrosses serve as vigilant custodians of marine harmony. They regulate squid and fish populations while cleansing the ocean of waste, preserving the balance so vital to the seas. Their presence speaks to a pact as old as tides, their duty in maintaining marine ecosystems a testament to the interconnectedness of Earth's creatures. Without their guiding wings, the scales of life might tip into disarray.
Albatrosses patrol the ocean's veneer, guardians of maritime equilibrium, stewards of the sea's fragile symphony. To fly is to nurture, each glide a gesture ensuring the sea's continuity.
Challenged flight, conservation status.
Despite the albatross's grace and resilience, many species stand on the brink, threatened by bycatch, pollution, and climate change. Conservationists labor tirelessly to reverse this tide, implementing measures to safeguard breeding habitats and reduce bycatch. It is a race against time, where hope and action intersect. The ancient mariner's flight faces modern challenges, yet with collective effort, the skies may once again be theirs, free from the shadows of extinction.
The plight of the albatross is a clarion call to protect the winged giants, ensuring their eternal passage amongst the sea's breaths. As endless as the sky, our resolve must match the threats we face, grounding hope in action.